Google Keyword Planner is probably the most common way that most people know to look for keywords. But in case you're not familiar with it, I'm just going to walk you through the process here. You go to google.com/AdWords and click sign in. If you haven't created an account already, it's really easy. You just enter your information and then confirm your email address. It's free. So I don't have any campaigns here. I'm just setting this up here for the demo. But once you're in your account, you would click on Tools, go down to Keyword Planner, and then you click on Search for New Keyword and Ad Group Ideas. And then you could put in your product or service there, and Google would find keywords related to that. So if we did bicycles, you could also write a comma and then type in another keyword. You can put your home page, or you can choose a category from the list here. So you can pick whatever language you want, countries, so you could add countries that also speak English. So for example, England, or rather, let's do the United Kingdom. And this is going to give you the average monthly searches for the last 12 months. Once you're done there, you just click on Get Ideas. And the default tab here is going to be Ad Group Ideas, which is going to give you several keywords for each of these keywords that on the left here. So you see you have cheap bicycles, folding bicycle, bicycle insurance, and then you get the average monthly searches, and then the competition among advertisers for those words. So if you click on the little bar graph there, you'll get the monthly searches over the last year. You could also click on one of the keywords there, and it'll break it down, give you even more specialized terms. So if we go back, we click on Keyword Ideas. It's going to give you even more suggestions. So now you have secondhand bicycles, bicycles for sale, cheap bikes, discount bikes, bicycles in the UK. And you get the searches for that too, as well as the competition. And you can sort them by searches, competition, suggested bid. So over on the left, you can also create a filter if you only want a certain number of monthly searches, right? You don't want something that only has 10 monthly searches. And then you can choose the competition. So if you didn't want high competition because you don't have the budget to compete with them, you could choose medium or low. And in negative keywords, you can exclude certain things. So for example, if you typed in the word bikes, maybe something about motorcycles comes up, but you don't sell motorcycles, you only sell bicycles, so you want to exclude those. Or maybe you don't sell to kids, you only have adults bikes, so you could exclude kids or children's bikes to make sure that those keyword ideas don't show up in the results here. So you could do it for cycling, bike accessories, and any keyword that you see come up in the results, you could type back into the search field and get even more ideas, and just get more and more specialized, more ideas for things for your website. We're all just, this is all part of the planning process here. We're just adding keywords to our Excel spreadsheet, and we're going to organize them a little bit later. So you can keep searching here, and you go all day long. You could do this for hours. But once you find a good list, there's a little download icon you see there in the top right. Even video games for bikes. That's a new category. I didn't even think of that. And like I said, you can download all this data right up in the top right, download, and then it'll put it in a CSV for you.